Brought to you by JEGS.
Today in the shop we have the 70611 JEGS auxiliary heater. This compact little heater, which is 7 by 7 by 10 inches tall, produces over 13,200 BTUs per hour. It has a built-in 2-speed switch for high and low, and it has 4 integrated louvers to direct the air in whatever direction you want it to go. On the bottom, it has 2 pop-out caps that work with JEGS's defrost and remote louver kits. Also, if you don't want to use it as a floor mount unit, we have this nifty little bracket that attaches to the screws on the sides here and here and allows you to mount the bracket to a sidewall or a firewall.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.